Corla, the cost of living crisis is causing huge pressure for households around the country, and this government has shown contempt and disdain for those households by only giving the absolute bare minimum of 60 minutes here for this to be discussed and scrutinised. Why are you afraid of proper scrutiny and discussion of the proposals that are here, and why are you afraid of people putting forward alternatives?
Deputy Boyd Barrett.
Yeah, an hour. It's a pathetic admission about the failure of the government policy to actually address an entirely predictable situation in terms of petrol prices, the cost of living, and you don't even want to discuss it. You've been forced, because of fear of public outrage and protest, to have this reconvening of the Dáil, but then you want to curtail the debate so we don't actually get to discuss the cost of living crisis that is affecting hundreds of thousands of working people and families in this country. It's pathetic.
Thank you very much indeed, Corla Taoiseach. With 1 hour for debate here today on such an important issue, it's very unfair to the people of this country, people that can't pay their energy bills, the people that are pulling up to the filling station can't pay their fuel. And to find out today that part of this debate is now going to kick out the farmers' rebate for farmer contractors, that's not going to be tolerated. It could lead to strikes in this country that we don't need to see again, and we need further debate and proper debate here today in this Dáil.